Alright, another day in sunny Florida. Once again, yeah, bad storm. This is Florida. It happens. It's raining. Okay. Once again, I'm underwater. Seriously, underwater. Here's the wall that I made. Okay? My retaining wall. Guess what? It's retaining. So you're thinking, why is there all that water there? Well, I figured it out. Everything stems down to exactly this part of my driveway. Right here. Where I put some brick. There's backfall on my driveway. So everything from over here, which is access to outside. See all my lovely, well, it should be grass out there, but it's not. It's a pool. My daughter is over, the truck is over the grass, and, well, there is no grass out there, but anyway, it's still, even with her truck blocking it, it's still a pond under there. All the water is coming back into my driveway from the road, from this area right here. So all these beautiful plants that I have out are going to die. Everything I bought, it's of no good, no use, doesn't matter. That's one section that is defective. So that's not good. Nowhere for the water to go. No drainage. Completely and utterly underwater. Yep, underwater. Nothing I can do. So here's my shed. And again, I would like to be able to walk into it with dry feet, but I can't. I have COPD, and this mold is making it very difficult for me to breathe. I can't sit out here and enjoy anything on my table. Coffee in the morning like a lot of people do. Listen to the birds. Yeah, that doesn't happen for me because of this. My driveway is green. And over here we've got some nice plants. Of course I recycle, yep. Some nice plants that are completely above water, thank God, because otherwise they'd be dead like the rest of my plants. Long story short, this is what's going on, and until it gets fixed, I'm not letting this issue. I just stacked those 2 bricks there for right now, and it's not making a bit of difference because it's coming down. It's raining. This is Florida. It's supposed to rain. It's supposed to rain every day around this time. So, beautiful landscape, nice pretty flowers, and flooding. So, yep, say goodbye to 500 bucks of plants. It's a waste. Oh well. See you on the next time.